In this tutorial, we will see that how you can delete your story on TikTok in just few steps. So let's dive right in. So you can see that we have just posted this story. Now to delete this, first of all, you have to minimize it from here and then simply open Play Store. So after searching this app, simply you have to update this app into newest version by just clicking on this update button. After updating it, minimize it from here, open this TikTok, and now if you open your story, to delete this, at the bottom side you will see here this views icon. Click on that and it will open up this window where it will show you the list of peoples that viewed your story. At the left upper side you will see here this bin icon. To delete this story, simply click on that and select here delete. If you want to delete it, you can also re-edit it from here. So after clicking it, you can see here our story is deleted. So that's how you can delete your story on TikTok in just few easy steps.